Hey you guys, I came into Dollar Tree looking for some ideas for some cute gifts, and I think I'm looking for some real inexpensive, a few items that I can put in a bag or a bucket. Those are some really cute boxes, but I have in mind. Oh, look at this! This is a nice bucket, and that's 125 for two. I'm gonna head over to the bath and body area and see what I can find. I'm thinking, those are cute. Sticker, felt stickers, heart stickers, and then so are these. These are cute too. I really like these because these are the scratch. You can scratch off stickers. But hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show you what I came in here for. We always need some chocolates. So if you're looking for those, they are 125 as well. So 125. And they even got a little fancy this year on some of those designs on the boxes. But here's your traditional chocolates. But y'all, I'm looking for here are those cards. If you missed my video on the cards, make sure you check it out. Um, let me see. Oh, I done hit the jackpot. You guys, have you ever smelled this big bottle of Japanese cherry blossom bubble bath? It smells so good. Oh, oh yeah, that smells good. You know what? It smells luxurious. I am really in love with that. It is 32 ounces of bubble bath. Smells good. All I have to do is put a little sticker here to cover up that price, like those felt heart stickers I saw. And then I'm not sure if you've heard about this jasmine dragon fruit. So look, guys, if you're looking for something, let me smell this. OMG. Oh, y'all, this is it. This is the one. This is the one. The jasmine dragon fruit. This is a bubble bath and it's moisturizing. So it's going to be good to put in your bath, unscrew the cap, and pour the foam into the stream of running water. So, guys that are looking for a gift for mom, for coworker, for this right here smells good. OMG, it smells so good. Let me see what I think it smells like. Oh, it leaves your skin soft and smooth. I believe it. Let me see one more time, y'all. It smells like that Baccarat Rouge 540. I don't know if you've ever smelled that, but this is the one, that jasmine dragon fruit. It will definitely complement that perfume if you know someone that wears it. And I'm real curious about this Moroccan rose. Again, these are the bubble baths. Okay, let me see that. Moroccan rose. I already think I'm gonna like it because look at the name, look at the label. That just looks like money. Ooh, y'all, this smells like roses all day long, but like a fancy rose, like a expensive rose, like yeah, definitely not like Dollar Tree. So look, here's my gift idea. I told y'all I make candles, right? So what I'm thinking about and what I'm gonna advise you all do, this is a sponge on the front and a loofah, perfect for a bubble bath. And it is 125. Yep, 125. This, because I'm a candle maker, I'm gonna put some wax in here with a wick and give it to somebody, either my daughter or a coworker as a gift. along with one bottle of the jasmine fruit. Y'all, look at that. That's gonna be real cute in a bag. And I'm even thinking about adding some, maybe a rose or something to it. Yeah. And for this one, I'm thinking about maybe using a white candle container and still using this same sponge. Look at that. That's cute too. Y'all, it's the thought that counts. But guess what? They smell good. And as you can see in my store, you better check yours because you may not have any. But it's one, two, three, four, five, six. There's only six on the shelf. And when I saw this Moroccan rose, let me see. Let me see if I see it anywhere else. Oh, they said this smells good too. I don't know if y'all have had the chance to smell these. Let me see. I can tell you. I'll give you my honest opinion. This is on the Santal Woods, and this is a shower gel. Now that smells nice and sexy. Ooh. Yeah, that's a nice gift as well. I think I could probably put a candle with that as well. Mm-hmm. And find a nice coordinating loofah. So guys, if you're looking for it, oh, let me smell this one. This one is notes of pistachio and salted caramel. Or do you say caramel? Put a comment in the comment section and let me know if you say caramel or caramel. I don't know which one it is, but I like both and I really like it in my coffee. But let's see what this pistachio and salted caramel tastes like, smells like. Smells like, y'all, smells like. Ooh, that smells good too. Kind of tropical, kind of puts you in the mind of an island. And I don't know if maybe Brazilian mist has got me already tainted in my thoughts of my smells, but that's what it smells like. It smells real tropical. So yeah, that's a good one as well. But my favorites, Moroccan Rose. Look at that. That looks like a nice little gift to give someone for Valentine's Day. Just the thought that counts. But I do like this jasmine dragon fruit. My favorite number one recommendation, this jasmine dragon fruit. And you could put that with a nice loofah. This is a sponge and loofah combo for 125. It's cute. I love it. Okay. So let me see that Moroccan rose. Here we go. Look at that on the bottom shelf. So you guys, when you're in Dollar Tree, you're going to have to check around and around and around to find things. I'm going to pick up a Moroccan rose myself. You guys, I have found another one. You guys, I have found another one. If you are into lavender, here is the French lavender. Now, I'm not a lavender fan, but let me see what we have here. Not bad. Not bad. Nice, calming, and soothing. That would be good for a bath after a hard day at work. After a hard day at work. And then I do see some more of the cherry blossom bubble bath. But you guys, look, Dollar Tree has a lot of options in here for you to come in and take advantage of. Isn't that cute? That looks like a champagne bottle that's shimmering bubble bath. That's something that's $1.25. Easy for you to put together with, let's see, what is that? That here is a body butter, and here is a bath salt. You guys, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. There is a lot in here that you could easily make very nice gift baskets with, or a gift bag. But I'm going to tell you what, if you want somebody to thank you for the gift, go with this jasmine dragon fruit bubble bath. Get you a nice little container. Now, if you don't get your candle from me, you can always just leave it like this and put maybe a scrunchie in there, maybe some Q-tips, or if your store does not have it, the jasmine dragon fruit, feel free to get that Moroccan rose because it smells good. But you know what? I did say it first. This Japanese cherry blossom bubble bath is a good selection as well. And as I'm looking here, looks like we could take one of these. Look at that. That's a nice color coordinated item as well. If you want to stay color coordinated, and you could get a bar of soap. Who doesn't need a bar of soap while they're taking a bath? But this is bubble bath that you could use to wash as well because it is moisturizing. All right, you guys, if you're still looking for those Valentine's Day ideas that are cute and expensive and you will be remembered by, actually, when they walk by you, you will remind yourself of the gift that you gave them. Yeah, guys, so get into your Dollar Tree and take advantage of these simple gift ideas that will be great for a friend, a coworker, or just a small statement to say, thank you, I'm thinking about you during this holiday time. Hey, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I am trying to grow my channel and I cannot do it without you. But it also lets me know that you enjoy the content that I bring you from here in Dollar Tree. I'm trying my best to find new things for everyone and to showcase them. Here's another piece that I could add to that same basket. Guys, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Get in here today and get your gifts taken care of. All right, I'm going to head to the register with my items. Yes, yes, I'm getting one of all three. I'm going to get the Japanese cherry blossom. I'm also, I'm getting this dragon fruit. And I am going to take me a Moroccan rose home. All right, you guys, I'll be back with you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.